Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about Surefire. Now what exactly is Surefire? Surefire is a plugin which enables us to run JUnit test cases directly from Maven. So this is cool. Now as of now, for example, we run the test cases. What is the process? We simply right click, navigate to run as, and we try to make use of this JUnit test option. Now indeed how this works, in the background what happens is, in the background there is an integration of Eclipse with JUnit, and Eclipse is the reason why we are able to run these test cases, right? So there are like so many test cases in here, and let me also show you the project. So in here there are like numerous test cases, and this is nothing but a project which we have already built, where we have the example of before all, after all, before each and after each, and we also have some messages on the console which will again indicate whether our test cases are getting executed or not. Now friends, if we right click and check the options which are available to us, there are like couple of Maven options, and one of the option is also Maven test. And if we try to test, then what happens? Let me show you. In the console it will simply start the test, but it will show run 0, failure 0, error 0. It simply don't know where are the JUnit test and how to run, how to execute the unit test by JUnit. So what is the solution? Solution is definitely Surefire, and we will navigate to pom.xml, and in here we will configure the pom.xml so that we can definitely make use of Maven for running our JUnit tests directly. So in order to add this plugin, I have added an article in my website already. Alright, so here is Google Chrome, and the URL is studyeasy.org/surefire-maven. You can alternatively search my website again. There is a search bar. Alright, so here is the article, very simple, easy to understand article. We can also click on the search bar and search appropriate articles. I have already added like numerous articles in here, and we are in the process of adding more articles as well. So in here everything looks good, looks nice, and here is a sample pom.xml. Now we won't copy all of it. This build part is the part which we will copy. So let me copy this and add it after the dependencies closing. So after we close the tag of dependencies, we will add the tags for plugins. Now in here there is this variable Surefire version, and this particular variable consists of the version of Surefire. You can definitely override this variable and use any version, whatever be the latest version of Surefire, but I will navigate to this article and use the version which is the latest one as of now, which is 3.0.0. Alright, and in order to make use of this particular convention only, we have something like properties. So in here we will add a property by the name of Surefire version, and we will declare the version in here in only one place and use the reference in here, and our work is done. Pretty cool standard stuff. Alright, so now let us update our Maven project. So it would be like update the project. This will take a couple of seconds in order to update. And now let me show you the test cases. Here are the test cases. Let me minimize this. So there are in total 4 test cases, and we also have the Java class which has these 4 methods: add, sub, multiply, divide. Everything is in place. Let me now run the test cases using Maven. Now friends, you may think that why we need this option. The option is required because now there is no dependency on Eclipse. Whenever we would be building the Maven project, the test cases will run automatically. So first of all, let me show you the test panel. Here we go. Here we go, the tests are getting executed. We are able to see the information on the console which are getting executed by tests. There are like warning for test 0 failure, 0 error 1 skipped. I guess there would be like annotation of disabled. Alright, so there is this disabled annotation. There is also these examples which enable us to get the messages on the console. Alright, so our application is definitely running, and Maven plugin has been installed successfully. Let me also show you that whenever we build a Maven project, again the testing part will be automated and Maven will test, then only build our application. So this is the advantage of this plugin. Alright, so this is it for today's video, and from next video we will jump to IntelliJ, which is again a very popular IDE. I would like to show you how to handle JUnit on IntelliJ again. So something interesting is coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.